Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share 3 really simple, easy and cute curly hairstyles that you can rock on day 2, day 3, day 4 kind of days. Even though today I have washed my hair and this is fresh day 1 curls, I am in pain to film this video because I know my curls are gonna get ruined. But usually I like to do these hairstyles when it's like day 2, day 3, day 4, you know what I mean. When your curls have like loosened up and the definition is not really there anymore. So this is kind of like freshen up, cute hairstyles, go out of the house because you're busy, right? You don't have the time to wash it over and over every single day. And a lot of girls struggle as well with what to do on day 2, day 3 kind of a hair where it's not really looking that good. So that's what this video is about, and of course I've got ton of accessories to jazz it up even more. That will take the hairstyle like 5 to 20 even. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started with the first hairstyle. For this you need to create a middle partition and then go ahead and measure 4 finger space as I'm doing in the video, and where the finger ends, that will be a start point. Next, I'm gonna use a tail comb. This is a really good quality tail comb and I would highly recommend getting this one because this will help you in really all of the hairstyles, to be honest. I'm gonna use the tail part of the comb and create a section from the midpoint till the ear, as you can see in the video, and I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side as well. The sections do not need to be super neat, and secure the rest in the back. Next, I'm gonna spray some water on the sections. Next, I'm gonna apply L'Oreal Paris Hydra Filling Night Cream. This works as a great leave-in conditioner, by the way. Or a leave-in gel works as well. Just a small amount, and I'm gonna concentrate on the top part of it to make sure it lays flat and smooth. Next, I'm going to use this brush. The bristles on it is super dense. This will help to make sure all the flyaways are sleeked properly and it looks really good. Brush the sections thoroughly and make sure all the flyaways are flattened out. It should look something like this. Next, I'm going to section off top part of my hair and secure it above. Secure the bottom part as well. This is where I'm going to tie the front portion, as you'll see in the video. Again, sleek out the hair as much as possible. This is important. For next step, you will need these kind of elastic. You can use a clear one, black one, brown one, whichever one you have, and tie the front portion in the back as you see in the video. Remove the top portion, fluff your hair out, play with it and see what looks best. If you feel some curls are not looking that good, just spray some water, scrunch it out and revive the curls back. Water is definitely curls' best friend and it will revive the old product, so you don't need more. And this is how it looks. I absolutely love it as it is. I actually did rock this hairstyle on Valentine's Day and a bunch of you guys were asking for it. So here's the tutorial. But I'm actually gonna spruce it up even more. I got this amazing beads and rhinestones set on Amazon, which is absolutely great for an eye makeup, for hairstyles, as well as nail art, which is amazing. I got a pearl set, a diamond rhinestone, as well as multicolored rhinestone sets. They come in multiple different sizes, which is great. You can play around with what you want to do and they look super cute. It also came with a tweezer and this stick to pick the rhinestone up. They did not send any glue, so I'm just going to use lash glue to set it. Secure rest of the hair back. I actually forgot to lay the edges, just flatten out those baby hairs in the front. So I'm going to do that right now using the same brush. I'm going to use the pearl beads for this hairstyle. Applying some lash glue to it. And just place it where you want it to be. As simple as that. And it looks so good. I'm so happy. And I'm going to repeat the same thing all over. It literally looks like a headband. And this is the final look. Let's move on to hairstyle number 2. For this hairstyle, I'm going to keep the sleeked front portion as it is from the first hairstyle. Next, I'm going to pull out few wispies near the ear section as you see in the video. Make sure it's a nice chunky section. Pull all the remaining hair back and just twist it. And to secure my hair, I'm actually going to use one of the claw clips that I got from Amazon. I got a bunch of these and they're so freaking cute and trendy. First, I got these gold claw clips set. Gold clips really look classy and elegant. Also, the quality of these clips are really good. I'm pleasantly surprised. And this one has a fishtail kind of design. I love it. I also got my hand on these big multicolored clips. They're super comfortable, do not tug or pull on my hair, and the material of it is very soft, matte touch, suede kind of feel, which I love. Also, just look at the colors they come in. I fell in love with the color combo of these. I'm gonna use the beige one to clip my hair back and fluff out the top portion, make sure it looks good. Let's take care of these wispies now. I'm just gonna restyle it, so spray it with some water, apply some leave-in conditioner, spread it evenly, and then I'm gonna finger coil it actually. Don't forget to scrunch it out, and this is the final look. Moving on to the third hairstyle. And for this hairstyle, I'm going to use the satin scrunchies that I got on Amazon. I got a bunch of these in different colors. And I just fell in love with the colors and the feel of it, man. Super soft, does not pull or tug on my curls and actually retains the curl shape as well. Next, you need to create two ponytails, one at the top and one in the bottom, as you can see me doing in the video. Secure it with a satin scrunchie. The top one, I'm gonna loop it halfway only so I can create a pony at the bottom as well. And then just pull out the rest of the hair from the top one. This is how it should look at first. Also, I've kept the front sleek portion and the wispies as well. The hairstyle is not complete yet, we still have few steps. Next, I'm going to loop the bottom section through the top, create a hole at the top and just put your two fingers inside. You should be able to see it from the bottom. And then pull the bottom ponytail through that loop up. Just like that. Next, tighten up both the ponytails, fluff it out, see what looks the best, and this is the final look. I love the volume that this hairstyle gives. You won't be able to see the hair tie at all. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below which hairstyle was your favorite and also which hair accessory was your favorite. What would you like to buy from all the products that I showed you? Also, सब products के link मैं description में दे दूँगी. You do not have to worry about that. Of course, if you haven't liked this video yet, please do share it with your friends and all the curly girls who would really help this video out. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that